Friends, welcome to Crochet for Beginners, aka Crochet as Expert. Today we will learn how to make magic ring. So this is the magic ring we are talking about. This ring is quite easy to make. So let's get started. For this I am taking a mercerized 6-cord yarn. Place the yarn on your left hand first finger like this. The tail end is facing downward. Put your thumb over it and wound the thread like this. Now there's a cross formed on the front of your finger. Hold this thread with the help of this finger, that is second finger, and now insert the hook under both the threads, that is tail end and working end, and then grab, we will do it again. Place it like this, wind it like this, make a cross, put your thumb over the cross. Now hold the thread like this and insert the hook here. Grab this working end like this. A loop is formed. Okay. And now chain 1. Remove it from your finger. Now your magic ring is ready. After chain 1, always make another chain to secure this. Now the magic ring is ready to crochet. You can reduce the size of magic ring by pulling this tail end here. Now you can start crocheting as usual. We are making double crochets here. So when you finish your round, just tighten this tail end and the size of the ring will reduce, and there is no gap between there is no gap at the center of your project. So this is the way you make a magic ring. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.